Hey guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how you can hide your Instagram followers or following list. So without further delay, let me take you straight to the video. So the first of all, open the Instagram app and log into your account. You can see I have already logged into my Instagram account. It is taking time, so you can see I have logged in my Instagram account. And to hide Instagram following or follower list, what you have to do is make your Instagram account private, so that anyone on the Instagram or web will not be able to see your following or followers list. So that's what we are going to do here. So first of all, to make this or to turn your Instagram account to the private, so that you can hide your Instagram following or follower list, what you have to do, tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner, and then tap on this three line or menu icon on the top right corner. From here, tap on this setting. From here, what you have to do, tap on this privacy. From here, this is the option where you can turn your Instagram account into private. Turn it, and if you want to make your business account can to be private, so what you have to do, this is my business account. Okay, this means I can't turn it to private because I already make it public. That's why I'm making it business account. But if you have a private account, you can just turn it